NumPy Array Indexing. How to select arbitrary elements. Have you ever found yourself needing to grab specific elements from a list or array in Python? If so, you are in the right place. Today, we will discuss how to select arbitrary elements from a NumPy array. This is a handy skill, especially when working with data analysis. In NumPy, selecting arbitrary elements means accessing elements at specific positions that are not in a simple sequence. This is done using advanced or fancy indexing. With fancy indexing, you can specify a list or array of indices to pick elements in any order you want. Let's start with a one-dimensional array. Imagine you have an array called or that looks like this. R is equal to NP. Array 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. If you want to select the first, third, and fifth elements, you can simply write R0, 2, 4. This will return a new array containing the values 10, 30, 50. Now, what if you are working with a two-dimensional array, which is like a matrix? Selecting arbitrary elements here involves specifying both row and column indices. For example, consider this two-dimensional array. R is equal to NP. Array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you want to select elements at positions 1, 12, and 20, you need to create two separate arrays for the row and column indices. You would write rows is equal to NP, array 0, 1, 2. Cols is equal to NP, array 1, 2, 0. Then you can use rrows, cols to get the values 2, 6, 7. This works because NumPy pairs the elements of the row and column arrays together, selecting the element at each row column pair. If you want to select all combinations of certain rows and columns, you can use the function npix. For instance, if you want to select a submatrix formed by rows 0 and 2 and columns 1 and 2, you would write rnp, Roman 9, 0, 2, 1, 2. This will return array 2, 3, 8, 9. This method is different from the previous one because it selects a submatrix instead of individual elements. Another useful technique is Boolean indexing. This allows you to create a Boolean array of the same shape as your original array. The true values in this Boolean array indicate which elements to select. To summarize, selecting arbitrary elements in NumPy arrays can be done in several ways. For one-dimensional arrays, you pass a list of indices. For two-dimensional arrays, you pass arrays of row and column indices. You can also use npix for submatrices and Boolean indexing for conditional selections. These methods give you flexibility when working with data in Python programming.